Hi guys! Kamusta mga kalayas? Welcome to Yasuno Private Resort. This is located at Moonstone Street, Marilao, Bulacan. But don't worry, we will include the Google Map link in the description and also the important details that you need here. Okay, let's start. As you can see here, the front of this private resort is very clean and simple. The place is very easy to recognize that you arrived here. Big signage attached to the wall in front of the resorts. How about the parking spot? Since the street is not too busy, unlike the Spine Road, you can park along the street and allow one-side parking. Let's go inside the resorts and I will tour you. Before we go, disclaimer, this video has no filter or AI made. This is absolutely natural. Here's the main pool. The pool is 3 to 4 feet deep and one of the portion of this pool is kid-friendly. It is 2 feet deep and a mix of waterfalls effect as you can see on this video. The next attraction here is the widely interior, plus the video okay or the sound system that is included on the rental, especially the LED TV screen that you can use movie entertainment. That is one activity option that you can do here. Let's check the rooms that are included. 2 queen-size beds plus very neat and spacious. Air-conditioned rooms, a separate comfort room with a shower and hot water. Also, you can access the balcony. You can check their page if included or not, depending on the package and offers.
Hindi ata na bubuksan. Kaya sila ang balcony. Buksan mo yung balcony. Hey! Ito yung swimming pool. Sa kabila. Tingnan natin dito. Wala, hindi pa, no? So, yan na yung pool sa baba. Naka-net lang. Yan, dito yung parking space, yung daanan. Yan, gano'n lang. Simple ano lang to, pero magiging masaya ang inyong vacation. Yan, staycation. So, invite na naman tayo dahil may kaarawan na naman ngayon. Sa pagdiriwang. So, ito yung aircon to, air condition. Yan. Ito siguro access dun sa ayan, magkadugtong. Parang magiging access dun sa kabila. Nakasusi lang. Kaya hindi natin pinasok. So, tingin nyo, ganito lang din yung tema. So, tingnan natin kung mapapasok natin mamaya later on. Ito na yun, pababa. Ay, baka copyright tayo.
Let's go to the kitchen area. As you can see here, you can use the water dispenser, refrigerator, cooking wares, and utensils, and also the table used in this video.
Ito rin yung isa nating kasama. Master Boyet ang rapper. Ating pwede yung maging parking kung marami kayong sasakyan kasi hindi naman busy yung area. So sa Google Maps pwede nyo naman mabilis lang, ito na yung main road, pasok kaliwa.
For booking, please see on the description on this video. We will include the link and important details. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Layacero Adventure. Check out the latest videos.
Minsan na din bang napuntahan namin ang inyong lugar, probinsya o ang inyong bayan? Kung hindi pa, samahan nyo kami na tuklasin ang magagandang lugar na sariling atin, dulo pa yan o sulok ng Pilipinas, ating bisitahin. Madami-dami na din kaming napuntahang mga pasyalan at sigurado kaming hindi mauubos, at lalo pang nadaragdagan ang mga tourist spot, attraction, campsites, at mga historical places. Halina, mag-relax, at samahan nyo kami at panuurin ang panibagong episode ngayong week na ito. Kami nga pala ang Team Layacero, ang mahilig maglayas at mag-adventure.